When the market sends mixed signals, how you are set up matters as much as what you own. Here briefly is how the Grey Swan unit trust funds are set up. We run 4 unit trust funds from cautious to worldwide, but they are one design at 4 levels of risk. Growth investments, mainly shares, are just over 40% of the Grey Swan SCI Cautious Fund. In the Grey Swan SCI Worldwide Flexible Fund, they are nearly 3/4, and every unit trust fund leans deliberately towards emerging markets, growing economies such as India and China, where more of the value now sits. What sets the unit trust funds apart is that we do not stop at choosing investments. We also insure them. We use contracts traded on the exchange to protect part of the shareholdings on both sides of the ocean, to guard against a stronger rand and to keep the upside open on gold. But this is insurance with an excess. The cover starts below today's prices, so the unit trust funds take the first part of a fall themselves, and the protection steps in on a deeper one. It is there to soften a serious sell-off, not to prevent every loss. Behind that protection, the unit trust funds stay fully invested. A good share of each unit trust fund's investment in the market runs through futures, which leaves the cash behind them earning today's rates while the position stays in place. The income investments stay short-term and high quality, and they earn more than inflation even after its rise. Fully invested, insured where mistakes cost most, and patient everywhere else. That is the whole picture. One design at 4 levels of risk, protected where it matters, fully invested. It is how we help you sleep well at night with Grey Swan.